After well over 2 months, I finally got my Anderson Design and Fabrication 4-inch and 4 3/8 inch lift kit for my 2003 Subaru Baja. I am totally excited to get this thing. He sends you some business cards and a couple decals, which, if it works, I will proudly display on my vehicle. I was pretty frustrated with his email etiquette. He responds like once a week, and I was very disappointed with how long this kit took to get. I wanted it over a month ago to get it put together, but I'm very happy with what he sent. It looks great. It is big and heavy and thick. It does not look like there's a chance it could break on you or bend. Everything is made out of really thick steel. The welds look really good on them. Very happy with it. Looks like you get to paint them. There is an engine stabilizer in there that is painted black. It's got a really thick coating on it. It looks great.